One day, chum, and a purely, and what I got that kind of thing. This is Ogbe. That is what we do right here. Oh, my friend, check one. Akwima no nyoli obona bo nyoli. Balo nyoli bi atouch e bo jeli zoli na abani. Akwima no dani wundoli. This is Ogbe, the voice of the street where the opinion of the people matters. Remember that every weekend, every week, I take you through different Ogbe to spotlight places. In fact, to tell you a whole lot of things around so many places. Ladies and beautiful gentlemen, on we go to wedding and keep as well, right? Ebulugongi we bateba na po Agwuowa. That is exactly where we are today, and I've got some information telling you most of the things happening right here. Not just most of the things happening right here. You know what I do now? Mbanyese one way or the other. Nguna exactly. For most of you to know Agwuowa, expect a lot of touring. I don't do that alone. I always have somebody to take me through this particular Ogbe. Ladies and beautiful gentlemen, you want to see my tour guide, right? I know we'll call him name because he's a superstar right here. A very big name. Ego Siada. Say no, welcome to Agwuowa, my brother.
Welcome to Agwuowa. Welcome to Agwuowa.
Okay, what we do right here is to make sure that let's tour around Agwuowa, right? As Agwuowa was in Ogbe, this is the time for you. Tell me exactly a bed in this particular Agwuowa. In fact, I want to see where from around this side. What should I anticipate?
Agwuowa
Okay.
Yeah. Agwuowa number one every year.
Okay.
Yeah. It's even touchy locale.
I like ya go.
It's on touchy. It's over there. Me bana angu. It's over. So, Ogbe na make a coordination.
Yeah.
Or one popular group na about AG who. The AG who. So you have to make no Ogbe no once. You got coordinate with her. He how can na akwado ko umunne ha ade me ho shi no gba ade me ya Ogbe ga be bata idi free dey calm
Ima no nwele
double level of it
onwele go si we gwa m sim na there's a particular place you guys play ball you got to go that kind thing and don't we one particular market a popular market right here. Yeah.
Nke ball ahụ go the number 1 kwa.
Okay.
Okay, every Sunday go do. I na-eje that official ball. Number the field ebe ni.
Okay.
Yeah, every Sunday. Emechekwa adokwa crate, iliko ile ngokokwa.
Na kwa ball. Exercise kabel.
I exercise emechekwa imo, I get you no. Then on kafia. Ka go do. Man governor na-egwu na nke akpọmkwem nke ọbụla ngwa gị na-believe ya.
I believe you. Ogbe ike anyị nọ guy.
Ya na-akpọ afịa ebe nke a bụ afịa Agwuowa.
Okay.
Ya, ọ bịala afịa na-emesi ihe ike.
Okay.
Ọ pekwe mpe mana onwe ihe ịchọ ịma mfu ebe ahụ.
All right. Okay. All right, so just like you know, one day I told you guys that nearby no right now ka na-akpọ Agwuowa, and just like onye to na Agwuowa, o chezoro na enwe CBN n'akụkụ. But however it is, one day CBN just got fell by Agwuowa ka azụ Agwuowa ka ọ gafere na azụ Agwuowa according to the guy. So what we do here is to make sure that you're enjoying. In fact, we are telling you around Agwuowa today. You know, the next segment, that's exactly what we'll get to find out from the people. Agwuowa. So stick around, don't go nowhere. Remember, they call me Cutie Light. One guy told Ogbe, Ogbe na si Ogbe ibia no Ogbe. If you go anywhere one day, something do. You know, long ask one answer. You're still watching Ogbe, the voice of the street where the opinion of the people matter. And this is the particular segment whereby in this street, just like I told you, I'm not Agwuowa, right? We got to find out if Agwuowa. In fact, case the name Agwuowa, if Agwuowa. When listen, can only Agwuowa.
Like Ogbe. Ogbe is a very quiet place. Unlike even with rest of mind. Like some area gaga. You get WhatsApp. If you know about
so that means security did not go on.
Money man went to the hardest place.
Okay.
He missed the place. He make it happen. Like one day, one man proved a battery go bube and I had chef for it. Chifokwe to battery I can one chi. Onwere boga buru opta o man fizz battery.
Okay.
So from Agwuowa was a rough place.
Okay.
It's a peaceful and can't all community club.
Ogbe the calm. Ogbe na eme ihe om na eme na the perfect. And they battle Ogbe, I got battle Ogbe anytime. 12 abalị aso oringo flavor mere ka ọ bụrụ Enugu obodo oringo and aga na-agba oringo and oringo ama nkwụsị na Enugu and ma nkwụsịkwa na Agwuowa yọta Agwuowa everything ọ na-abụ Ogbe ọbụla ịbata iwe everything but one thing ndị wel like ya Agwuowa bụ na ha nọ peaceful ha na-ebi ọfụma osi adọrọ na Agwuowa ha fụrụ owo ha n'anya ewegasịkwa m ebe a na-agwụ mmanya oto emebi ije obi agị fụcha street a na-agwụ mmanya na-agba egwu maybe mebe a na-ata anụ nkịta ihe ndị na-echa na Agwuowa so a place dey calm ọ ga-abịa ịbata relax ya anyị nwere too much challenges na Agwuowa na-abụ road network ndị ogbe na-atara ya kwa na-emekwe nke ha wee ike imekwe okwe mgbe rumo kwa na-aga ewu but akpọ m ya rumo from here since this serious but because the mother mango property wow and asina and ndị mpameria will touch we me with ndị nike far back ha made of ma we so we mpia with a property I got with a property do Syria we believe na mpia mezuri of ma so I believe na better side I'm after as rumo mana abia na ogbo a oboto ụtọ e were ihe niile ịchọkwa ma skirt ọ dịkwa ịghọta ihe niile na-adị n'ogbe edite ebe a mana ha furu ha na ya number 1
challenge anyị enwe ebe a anyị na-eme much challenge na Agwuowa so bad road. That's the only challenges we have here in Agwuowa. I'm a provision store. This is my store. Mommy Chidera provision store.
Agwuowa is a free place. You can walk about at any given time, at any moment. You can even come back in the night or in the day at any point in time. So I've not experienced any problem or any disappointment, anything negative. No, I've not. Since I came here, it has been God protecting Agwuowa, guiding us, making us to feel comfortable, even making us to feel as more free as when we came. They always welcome you in a good arms. Even give you pre-information, things that are coming, like we have Ogele man that also always give us information, what will happen and what is about to happen.
And you just listening to the opinion of the people right here in Agwuowa. Ladies and beautiful gentlemen, there's something I like about this particular place, especially how secure the whole lot of them say that they are right here in Agwuowa. It's a very good one. And this is Ogbe, the voice of the street, where the opinion of the people matters. Remember, they call me Cutie Light. One guy told Ogbe, Ogbe na si Ogbe ibi ano Ogbe. The next segment, you don't need to go nowhere. Enjoy it. I'm still right here with you. Because you're still watching the voice of the streets, where people's opinion matters. Yeah, it's actually called Ogbe, and it's with your man, Cutie Light. One guy told Ogbe. Ogbe na so Ogbe ibi ano Ogbe. So today, you know, in every Ogbe we visit, there is this segment where we feature the OGs in business. Ndị mego business for a very long time. What I go, ndoga about after like this, if you agwa any lecture about so many things. Ladies and beautiful gentlemen, I know my bar with Kedifana Bogin at this particular Ogbe. Yeah? Adia. On if it's not Jumalagan at this Ogbe, yeah? On Kaka Manchester.
Before, as Ungai, he had to them and I said, Adia Salon Beer Parlor.
Adia Salon Beer Parlor. Are you confused? Adia Saloon Beer Parlor. In one saloon and with beer parlor. Ladies and beautiful gentlemen, just check this combination of Emma wine and okay. What happen. Nice to have you right here at their Saloon Beer Parlor. I like what my forget. Qu'est-ce que c'est que this afa? First of all, let's go there.
Afambo Abia.
Okay.
Abumoye Cross River.
Okay.
And I'm Ogbe.
Wow.
And we na Enugu State.
Wow.
Agwuowa.
You half caste too. Yes, now you're half caste. The state half caste. All right, nice to have you right here. So, just like you talked about, with this particular name, yeah. Tell us, can they feel name Ogbe?
Yeah, name and me salon. From salon, tie manya.
Okay.
Beer. Business. I like in business.
Oh, you combine one saloon and beer parlor.
I'm a local man.
Opuna
fugo. I'm one of that boy. That man job.
Okay.
We or day really how many hours?
Ogbe.
The mother 4 years.
Chai.
Because I like in business.
But looking at you.
POS.
Oh.
I
believe. So how many now? Let me ask you. Each go now. In a go no like no one business can make in a wonka.
No one business can name it.
Okay.
Because open and cargaro. Nkaga. We wake the over.
Oh, the son okay, back I'm right?
Yes.
Oh, I think now. I started thinking it. Even on Dibo be an apple the brain now. In one shop. Oh, I can't go now. I was a full-time blooded Igbo woman. That's a good one. So, like, how many years can you go Ogbe? My business, yeah?
I know like 20-something years, like 21, 22 years.
Okay. Wow.
And me made the business before me shopper. I'm not Ogbe.
Okay. Wow, that's a very big one. 21 years. About 21 days, just like you know. And then at this particular segment, can I just celebrate people who make good business in different Ogbe, right? And I never with Afia and Afia, but however it is. I like that combination idea, saloon, beer parlor. Hey! But however it is, can joke a challenge and in na this particular business. And now, in fact, na this particular Ogbe, since you be the business, I can challenge in the name.
Challenge like maybe Madi challenge
or but like Madi challenge. Let's
the challenge in there we capital.
Okay, capital.
Yeah.
Like a capital.
Capital you got a business eba no baby hana me business of ma if we begin man support.
Yes. Okay, that's a very good one. So let's talk about the challenges in a one like in a business na eba in a one challenge of like insecurity, more whichever one, or say government taxes and all these unnecessary things.
And we money man some things be here in the flying.
Okay.
Like in the tax habia always 2-3 calls ngabo mmekwe ndị ogbe tie ku yo no asia no ye nke heavy ha ngota for the settle wo he for the assembly ni he meru na next time ngota na get settle kwa ihe do to am una had any problem because na ndị na-eti ono ni no go around.
Okay. So now
ebutekwe no problem bia mgbachafu ya because most na problem ga na-abịa mana o ihe mmadụ na-akarị gị na mmadụ epụta bịa mewe mkpọtụ ta akarịgo m that one.
So ikaligo gị na mmadụ ime mkpọtụ when it comes to this particular Ogbe. Hi! In fact, nga na-ejikwa afa ga na felo. Nga na-agbanwe mmere arụ sị gị ịmakwa na ama m onye a. I'm telling you.
I'm
so nobody je try benge with the problems kita na. Ola fage na fe.
Mana ezikwe na oshi.
Mba bra nke izu echi. O nwe ken nata onya ihe instead izu echi.
You just ihe ga-agwo ya ahụ bụ ya lesi gị ihe na o meche ka ihe ya ego na adị ya bụ ihe ziri gị.
Akwa Central Bank da around there.
Akwa kije bitego.
Mbapuri bitego just cha igwa ha nye me mecha nga enye ha bank.
On the Central Bank. Amalo, on the Central Bank amalo.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you for having us on. In fact, thank us for having you here, and
yes,
we're also thanking you. All right, and we're also thanking you for in one particular shop right here. In fact, to me, it might be a Miss Kobo shop where you can actually get everything you want. It's your POS, ordinary get card, it's your beer, one back I pass. You gotta go. You gotta go. This is right here. This is where you're going to get it. And don't get back for confirmed 21 years. In fact, I'm going down let's do that kind of thing. I know if you're listening, or probably you're watching me right now. Emma, this particular woman I'm talking about. In fact, is an OG. Eto shikano kata like this. We are two fools of uchiya there. You gotta go. Boy, yeah, do ya. Like one governor in my we are saying thank you so much for being part of this amazing show, and we are saying thank you so much for whatever you are doing in this particular Ogbe, especially giving us the vibe, the by sea for no and most of them work in a phone, you know that kind of thing, and also for Katapala like this. Let's say thank you so much. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. So on behalf of Ogbe and on behalf of Afia Radio and Afia Television, we say thank you so much. Mama Ochman and the Adia Saloon Beer Parlor. This is where we draw it close. This is where we draw it close right here with Mama Adia Saloon and Beer Parlor right here in Ogbe. Remember, you're still watching Ogbe, the voice of the streets, where the opinion of the people matter. Stick around, don't go nowhere, because the next segment, you definitely enjoy it. Enjoy.
Chibuike Gabriel Ugu, who is popularly known as Untouchable Comedy, is a renowned Nigerian comedian and social media personality. He was born on the 8th of July 1995. Chibuike Gabriel Ugu hails from Enugu State, where he spent the most of his childhood. He is famous for his pranks and funny skits, and he gained fame as a comedian through social media after one of his many videos went viral, prompting curiosity about the face behind the talent. He has a reputation for being funny and mischievous with his pranks and jokes. This is the much we can give on the segment. Keep watching Ogbe.
We are still right here in Agwuowa, and this is Ogbe, the voice of the street, where the opinion of the people matters. Yeah, this segment, if I'm not the next rated. In fact, let's find out who is the next rated superstar right here in the building. So just like you can see where's Zelly this motor, and I'm right here with my guy. I'm talking about superstar
Mighty Prager.
Mighty Prager. He's the next big artist right here. In fact, coming from here. Ladies and beautiful gentlemen, I'm going to tell him to introduce himself, just for most of you guys that don't know him, yeah? So let's do this way. Who you be?
Update.
He did.
Yeah, go by the Mighty Prager.
Go by English
Superstar
if you want.
Mighty Prager. Huh?
Go by English if you want.
Yeah. And the man they were called Superstar Mighty Prager. Yeah. And I'm a musical artist. Now we they rev the Ogbe.
Maybe on this one,
how if I shout now, they will reply me now. They know. If I shout now, they will reply me.
In fact, one good thing about most of these artists, right? If you see them do hand like this, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? One day, man, you don't know what I'm saying. If I know what I'm saying, I don't even know it. So nice to have you right here, big guy. So now, I'm going to allow you to just freestyle. Do a small freestyle for me. Let me vibe into it before we now dive into your affair. What I got that kind of thing. Okay. All right, let's go.
Anything I talk now, you could reply me, yeah.
Yeah.
Anything I talk, reply, yeah. Oh girl, I got you like you got me.
Yeah, yeah.
And you know I cannot do without you.
Yeah, yeah.
Swear you not gonna leave me.
Yeah, yeah.
Love me like I love you.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh girl, I got you like you got me.
Yeah, yeah.
And you know I cannot do without you.
Yeah, yeah.
Swear you not gonna leave me.
Yeah, yeah.
Love me like I love you.
Yeah, yeah. You're quite popular right here, man. And one thing, guys. Yeah, yeah. Let's go into his matter. What I got that kind of thing. So let's dive into your face, right? What was growing up like?
I not been that much no basha.
Okay.
Mana ihe ọbụla a na-emekwa anyị na-amapụtakwa.
Yeah.
Like ịma na ogbe Pascal Global.
Oh, yeah.
Ogbe abụkwa ihe a. So anyị so na ndị na-eme eme. So I've lived here for a while. So
what's the coordination around these people? You know, especially when it comes to your career, what's the coordination? I saw our babies in the background, you know, saying yeah, that kind of thing. So what's the coordination around this Ogbe, especially in support of your music?
Sure, like they never knew I was doing music.
Okay.
Till one particular night when was December, they were having their carnival.
Yeah.
So that was when they invited me and I performed and people were like, oh wow, you're a musician, we love your song. Like,
so you've been
but
hiding?
yeah, I've been staying indoors because you know I've been staying indoors. So I felt like the only day that they saw me when they were doing carnival, they didn't even pay me. I came for free because it's my area and they were like, Iboyoba. I say, yeah, I've been here. They say, okay, I say, yeah. So I've been doing it, and after since then, I went to one popular school down there. I did some freestyle, like Transekulu Girls, yeah.
Okay.
So I went there. I gathered some students coming back, and I was like freestyling. When like the one that we did now, I said that anything I'm gonna say now, you should reply me, yeah. Okay. So they did it, you know, students. Yeah. Since then, if I should be passing down the road now, everybody, yeah, everybody. So, but it's a good thing that my Ogbe people are now recognizing me. Yeah. So after seeing my performance there, so they will have something, although they are not calling me for shows, you know, imana. Yeah, but I thank God it has been progressive.
Okay. Okay, so let's talk about something you're probably working on currently. Are you working on anything, probably a project or something that we need to look out for?
Sure.
Tell us about it.
I have an EP dropping soon.
Okay.
Yeah, I have 6 tracks EP.
Wow.
So it's called Life Begins at 27. It was supposed to drop last year.
Are you 27 like?
I was 27.
Okay.
Yeah, last year. But things didn't all go well, really well, so I have to push it. So I'm looking at middle of July, should be 30th of July, so I'll be dropping my EP. But I'm still pushing some of the tracks in the EP. Okay. I have like this very song that I did now.
What's the title?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's spelled Y-A. Yeah.
Okay, take for instance now, like most of the people looking at us right now, if they want to go and stream most of their songs, how did they find you, like to stream your songs?
Yeah, at Instagram, I'm at Mighty Prager. Mighty Prager is being spelled Mighty. That is as Mighty. Then Prager, P-R-A-Y-G, capital G-E-R. Mighty Prager on Instagram. Same with TikTok and Twitter.
Okay. Let's say if I'm going to stream songs from, let's say, Audiomack and Apple, whatever, and the rest of it. What am I going to search to get it?
Yeah, it's just Mighty Prager.
Just
Mighty Prager. Prager should be spelled P-R-A-Y-G-E-R. And there's a song I have with Evado. He's one of Evado Leah. He's one of the upcoming artists here in the East. He's doing well. Yeah. So it's titled On God and it's inside the EP. Okay. So soon.
We are looking out for a whole lot of projects coming from, especially inside that your EP.
Yeah, Life Begins at 27.
Life Begins at
27.
But I got to go 27 years. Think about it. So let's look at the challenges probably you faced doing this particular music. What are the challenges you've probably faced doing this music?
Man, like I'm lacking support. I'm lacking finances. So I don't know. I'm lacking finance. So
Like, and apart from Agwuowa, let me see, they don't know me that much. But my Eastern guys, like my Eastern guys that we started together, none of them are following me on social media, none of them are commenting, none of them are liking. Like, I'm getting no support from any of them. So I've been building my career from scratch. I've been doing some sort of jobs to promote my song, but I don't really know what's going on. Like, these people are my people. I was hoping that maybe they see the effort I'm putting. They are to be like, oh, this is my brother, come close, let's promote you. Like, there are some of the artists, I won't like to mention their names, that I did songs with, but I don't know why they don't want to release the song. I've been begging, but these are my people, these are my guys, so I'm feeling so bad. Coming to my Instagram, if I should post anything, none of them, I don't know if they are kind of in a meeting. Like, I don't know, because even somebody told me, oh, this is what you've done that I'm not feeling. I would have apologized, but
yeah, onyamada deal na nanya, right? Or ebobi, you get. So that's it's actually a proverb to encourage you, to push more. So there's something I always tell people, forget about those people. People associate with people right now, especially when they are successful, when they get to that successful level. And I pray that you get there, brotherly. We are here with you, So to most of the people that want to follow in social media, this thing again, so how do they find you on social media? Let's do it again.
Instagram at Mighty Prager. M-I-G-H-T-Y, that is Mighty, then P-R-A-Y-G-E-R, Prager. That is Mighty Prager on Instagram. Arrange the Mighty Prager on Facebook, and at Mighty Prager on TikTok. Unless I forgot, big shout out to Pascal Global, Mako Wiakaena.
Yeah, that's Ogbe. In fact, Monitegole a whole lot of super duper stars. If you know Pascal Global, you definitely know somebody. Okay, that's the Ogbe too. Oh, right. So this actually the Ogbe that grew a whole lot of something, and we're right here, knowing that this is the next biggest star from Agwuowa. Ladies and beautiful gentlemen, please support him. In fact, follow him bomber to bomber. Comment. I told you guys earlier, the best thing you can actually do for an artist is to do what? Support the person. Support Abro by Ego. Comment here in some of the things on a post. In fact, stream it for no reason. Stream it because I know this guy has good things to offer you. That's what we do right here. However it is, brotherly, I'll tell you, you are the next biggest. Yeah, you're the next biggest. About it, like the facts, the honest truth, right? So that's what we're going to do right here. Remember, you're still watching Ogbe, the voice of the street, where the opinion of the people matter. Yeah, I told you one night at this particular place, but if you check your time right now, don't time mother it entirely means that this is the time just happening on at this particular Ogbe, because some will say and keep as well, and literally 1 or 2. But don't forget to follow us in all social media platforms, and we are always on your radio every weekend at Afia 993 Enugu, 99.3 FM Enugu Afia Radio every weekend on Weekend Special. Ladies and beautiful gentlemen, I see you when I see you, but when I see you, make your shot in on the next biggest.
Thanks.
I see you, big guy.
Go,
Can't go